The limbic system in our brain is the thing where you store, I think, long-term memories.
Right.
And they are very fast activated when you see something or when you hear something, but it's most intensely connected via smell.
You know, reference.
Try. And whenever you just smell the cap and you get taken back to dun 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 dun.
Yeah, wow, yeah.
Yeah.
So I think the second piece is going to end up on my album.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's fantastic.
And we'll call it
Sound of Fragrance. The Sound of Fragrance.
Sound of Fragrance.